Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm so excited because I'm sharing with you guys my end of summer home tour. I wanted to show you guys my home and a few touches that I've made around the home since my summer home tour that I did earlier in the summer. Before I pull out all of my fall decor and start working on decorating for the fall. So this is how my home is looking for the end of summer. And I'm just showing you guys my coffee table there. I did do a coffee table styling. I will list that video in the iCards above if you want to check that out. And I'm just showing you guys how I kind of basically have my colors as gold and white in my living room right now. And I'm just showcasing my ginger jars there on the coffee table. This is kind of like, I guess, this is my summer decor, but it's kind of like everyday decor too. It could be for summer or any time of the year. And of course, I'm watching one of my videos on television. Looks like that was a Christmas in July video. And on my fireplace hearth, I have these vignettes here. I'm just showing that and just kind of panning around the room so you guys can see. I guess this is kind of like a clean house tour also. After my house was all clean and everything's all decorated and it looked very pretty, I thought, let me do a video just showing everything in its final looks before I start decorating for fall and all the upcoming holiday season. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how things look. And that's my wall art that I got from Hobby Lobby a year ago, I think. And I picked up those candlesticks from Burlington's, and I showed you guys how I did this little styling with my Hobby Lobby items that I found on clearance. And all of my indoor plants. I think they look so pretty. My orchids finally, all the leaves finally fell off. So, and this is a view from the other side of the room, looking into the living room. And here's the other side of my vignette that I did when I did my coffee table. And now here's my dining room and the table, the summer tablescape that I have on there. I will link that video in the iCards above for you guys to check out if you want to see how I put together this summer tablescape. I think it's very fresh and really pretty for the summer. So it's kind of got, it's a pineapple theme. You guys can see the pineapples there. So yeah, just really pretty for the summer. Kind of light and bright and airy, not too much, not too fussy. And my lanterns back there in the corner, I just have orchids on top of them, and that's it. So just really easy breezy styling here, not a whole lot of decor going on. And I hardly ever show my wall art here, so I just wanted to highlight that so you guys can see that there. I may be taking that picture down for the fall, so we'll see. So again, just panning back around, you guys can see how the gold pillows in the living room are picking up with the gold from my tablescape. The gold and white on the tablescape is kind of blending with the gold and white in the living room. So the two rooms are coordinating. So you guys can see that. And this is the other side of the dining room. And again, these are the vignettes that I show with my items from Hobby Lobby that I got on clearance. And I really love these two chests that I have on either side of my armoire. And so I think coming up this fall, I will be painting the chest and the armoire and my dining room table. So be sure to check back on that. That might be a project that'll be coming up this fall. So, but now I'm just showing you guys the vignettes up there. I think it's really pretty. It's giving us coastal vibes. And you know, I always have my wreath on this mirror here. And now we are moving towards the front entry where I have my credenza that I thrifted last summer, and I really love it. And on top of it here, I have this, I don't know why I'm zooming in on this cute little Dollar Tree sign, but I thought it was so cute, so I picked that up. And of course, my "As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord," that's always there. And I have that my cross wall just behind it. You guys have seen that before. I haven't added any new crosses here lately, but yeah, those are there. I did add that huge white ginger jar on the table as well. And you guys know I am still loving my entryway, and I'm just panning up here to show you guys our staircase railings. I don't think I ever really show this part, so yeah, I thought I'd show that so you guys can see our staircase and the landing there with the florals on that ledge. So yeah, panning back down here, you guys can see our entryway table. I did pick up this entryway table and this magnolia 3-tiered little swag from Kirkland's last year, and this has been my look since spring. I'm just loving it. This look has taken me through all the way till the end of summer. So that tells you guys how much I really love this look. And same over here in this corner, I have our coat rack with the gather sign on top there from, I think that was Family Dollar, maybe Dollar General, not sure. And the white wreath is my coffee filter wreath that I did as a DIY project. I will have that listed in the iCards above if you guys want to see how I did that. And in this huge, beautiful vase that I picked up from Home Goods, I just have it filled with some white florals that I got from, I think that was the King Dollar. So those are from the dollar store. Then of course we have our tobacco basket that's always there. So that is that little corner. And I'm just panning back here to see our entryway. I just really love it. So okay guys, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, this end of summer home tour. If so, be sure to go ahead and click the thumbs up button. If you're new here, welcome. I look forward to seeing, I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And for my faithful family members, you guys know I love you, love you, love you so very much. And I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.